Hey, hi friend, this is Taposh and welcome to this video. So in this video, we will learn a very powerful tool in Microsoft Excel. That tool will help us. The tool will help us to increase our productivity by more than 10x. Okay, and the tool will reduce our time, working time as well. It will save our lot of time. It will save our lots of time because suppose you are playing with the big data, or you have some sales report, you have some thousand reports or lakhs reports you have, and you play with that data and all those things. So this tool will help you. This tool will reduce your working time, and it will help you to increase your productivity as well. Okay, so the tool name is flash fill. I will show you how you can use it and how it is super powerful. I will show. But before that, suppose you are a working professional or you are a student and every day you play with the data. You have millions of data, billions of data, you have lakhs of data, or you play with that data. So this tool will help you to increase your productivity and it will reduce your lot of time. Okay, so let's see how that tool help. So the thing is, here I have a small data. Just for example purpose I have taken here. I think 50 or 52 data are there. It's a dummy sales data I have taken. So here, suppose this kind of data you have. Suppose in the name section, the name is coming like that way. Maybe not only name, in your case it might be different, any kind of data you may have. So suppose in name section the name is coming like this way. Suppose Arnab Sharma, correct? And then the Onika Verma, and then some sales data, or maybe the salary, or maybe the monthly sales or the daily sales or anything. Maybe the mobile number, in your case it might be different. So suppose the data is coming like that way, and it is quite unorganized type. It's quite not in a structured way, correct? So suppose your boss is telling to correct it, or you are sending some data to someone. So if you send this data, it is not a good idea to send this data because it is not in a structured way, it is not in a presentable way. So what you need can do it. Suppose here it is clear that the first name is there, last name is there, and it may be a salary, it may be a sales. So as I have taken the sales data, I would say it's a sales data per day, sales data it is. Okay, so now I want to split that all the things like first name, last name, and the cell, the different column, different row. I want to mention that thing. So what we will do is, we will tell a pattern to Microsoft Excel. We will educate that pattern, that this is our pattern. I want to get my data like that format. So we will educate that Microsoft Excel that we need the result like that way by following that pattern. Okay, so what we will do is, suppose how we want to get the data. Suppose here I want the first name, so I would say Araf. Oh, it was Araf, not Arnaf. Araf. Then I would say Sharma. Araf Sharma. This is the last name. Araf is the first name, last name is Sharma, and then sales, suppose it is 42,341. So this is my desired format. So this is, I think this is the good way to present or share the report to anyone. So this is my perfect format. This is the format I want. Okay, so what I will do is, I have already informed the Microsoft Excel that I need this format. Now what we will do is, suppose in the two ways we can use that super powerful tool, that is flash fill. So two ways we can use it. The one way is, we will actually, I have height that the ribbon and all the tab I have hidden. So let's play. So there are two ways. The first way what we can do is, you will go to home, then with this fill section, the editing section, and there fill section, here is flash fill you will get. So now if you click it, see how the magic happens. Because I have already injected, I have already informed, I have already educated the pattern that I need the first name only this column. section, this column section, I need only the first name, because the pattern, the first thing I have mentioned here, this is my pattern. Here it will be the first name, here will be the last name, here will be the sales. So now, like this way, after that I have kept the cursor here, and then I have pressed the flash fill, and then the entire row, in entire column section, it has taken the first name only. Suppose here I have 52 data, in your case it might be 500 data, might be 5000 data, 5 lakh data, so lots of data. So it will take automatically, you are not supposed to do it manually. So this is the one way, and the next way is I will go to this section. What I will do is, there is one shortcut, that is Control E. So if I press this thing, Control E, it will do the same work for me. So the last name, so here I have injected that the last name I want into this column. So see, Sharma, then it is Verma, then it Mehta, Singh, all the details it has taken. So anyway, there are two ways you can use it. You can do it manually by that this field, like home, then you need to go to fill section, editing section, and then fill. Inside fill you will get flash fill. You can do it like this way, or you can use the shortcut. I prefer to use as much as I can the shortcut way, the shortcut way. So you can use the same thing. So for this purpose also I will use shortcut, that is Control E, and here you go. So now it is done. Now it is done. So I think you have got the idea how you can use this super powerful tool, that is flash fill, for your data filtering, for your data structuring. You have some haphazard data, you have some unorganized, unstructured data, and you want to any kind of pattern. This is only one pattern, so you suppose in a different way you want to get, suppose the first name and last name you want to get in a single column, and the sales or salary in a different column. So that is also possible. So the first thing, you need to educate that system, you need to educate that Microsoft Excel, that I need that pattern. So accordingly, if you enter the Control E or the flash fill option, accordingly it will provide you the details. Okay, so I think you have got the idea. This is one of the super powerful tool you can use in Microsoft Excel, and I'm sure you will practice it, and you will get the result out of it. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, you keep practicing. Thank you.